Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you're looking for something super cute to protect your furniture and have something snuggly for your pups, then you should get this leaf-shaped blanket.
This warm and cozy blanket is the perfect thing to protect your furniture from your furry friends. We all love them, but we know that they're usually dirty or drooling of some sort, and we want our furniture to stay nice, but still look pretty. So, this leaf shaped blanket is just the thing. It is reversible with green on one side and a beautiful gray on the other side. And it is so cushy and soft. It is lined with cotton and has this great quilting on it. So when you put it in the washing machine, it's going to keep its shape. And the best part is, my pups love this. The second I put it down, my girl came right over and laid down on it, knowing it was special just for her. I think this is such a unique blanket and it really is such high quality. We all love it, and I love that it is protecting my furniture from spills, stains, and fur.
So not only do I love this leaf blanket for protecting my furniture and think it's super cute, but my pups love it too. So we highly recommend that you get one, and that is my point of view.